All right, so here we go. Off to the beach.
Murphy, what do you need help with?
The only thing that can fly up past the clouds is an airplane or a rocket.
Oh, really?
Oh,
was
that's
nice.
nice.
Thank you. So we just got in one of those chains where the person in front of us paid for our meal. So I just paid for the person behind this meal. And thankfully they didn't order the whole menu. It's like, it's probably cheaper than what we got, so.
That's the first time that's ever happened. How's yours, Ralph? What'd you get? Alright, so headed to the beach again today.
Yep.
We're going to Topsail, which is about 45 minutes-ish from where we live. There is a beach that's very close to us, but it's it's busy and...
Busy, you have to pay for parking.
Yeah.
And it's not as chill.
Yeah, this one is very chill, so it's worth the extra drive.
Plus, I've been coming to Topsail my entire life, so I like the nostalgia.